Welcome to Bamboo Insight. In this video, we will show you how to safely and properly split a bamboo pole using a knife. This process is an important first step to preparing bamboo for weaving and other traditional crafts. Working with raw bamboo poles takes care and attention. The edges can be very sharp, so wearing gloves is important for safety. Before splitting, the bamboo is placed in a steady position. The knife is set in the center of the bamboo to mark the starting point. This point shows where the bamboo will open. With gentle pressure, the first small separation appears, and the natural fibers help guide the knife downward. The splitting continues smoothly until the pole becomes two even halves. A clean split is important because it keeps the bamboo strong and flexible for weaving. After the pole is split, each half is shaped in with an axe to make the thickness even and the surface smooth. This step prepares the bamboo for weaving and ensures the strips will be uniform and strong. With careful work and steady technique, the bamboo is transformed from a raw pole into useful material for crafting. Thank you for watching Bamboo Insight. We hope this simple guide helps you better understand how to split a bamboo and prepare for weaving. For more tips and traditional techniques, remember to like and subscribe and join us for our next video.